Let's talk about the iloc function in pandas. When we have a table like this and we simply call the function like this, it means we're selecting row 0. So this parameter here results in this selection. We can also pass an array into the function, which means that we're selecting multiple rows by their indices, in this case with the indices 0, 1, and 3. Another notation that you can see quite often in Python is this colon notation, where you set a starting point, in this case the 1, and an ending point, in this case the 3. So also in this case we're selecting multiple rows like this. Also, if you want to select all rows up to a certain index, you can do it like this. So this would result in this selection, starting from the very beginning and ending at index number 3. The other way around, you can only set a starting index if you want and leave the end open. So in this case, we're starting our selection at row index number 1 and selecting all the rows to the end. Finally, you can leave both sides of the colon open to just select all the rows from the very beginning to the very end. This is all quite lovely, you might say, but how do I go about also selecting specific columns? And this is what we're going to do now. So the first parameter here, this is for the row, so row 0 still. And the second one, after the comma, this is for the column, also column index 0. And this results in this selection, but we are only getting the intersection of both of those selections. So what we're actually just getting here is the A. And finally, we can combine multiple techniques that I have shown you. So we could select all of the rows up until index number 3 like this. And then we pass in the array for the columns for the indices 0, 1, and 3. And our resulting selection would still be the intersection of both of those selections. So our final result would look like this. I hope this helped you at least a little bit with understanding pandas. Please let me know if you have any feedback, and thank you very much for watching.